Ashwagandha for over 50, anxiety, sleep, and safety concerns. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you can understand how ashwagandha is commonly used for easing stress, what studies suggest about sleep support, and the safety concerns people over 50 should pay attention to. If you've been wondering whether this herb might help you feel calmer or sleep more comfortably, you'll get clear answers in just a few minutes. This is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Ashwagandha is an herbal supplement that people often use because it may support a sense of calm and help manage everyday stress. Many adults over 50 look into it because studies suggest it may play a role in helping the body adjust to tension and possibly improve sleep quality. The idea is that it may help the body unwind at the end of the day, which is why you may hear people mention it in conversations about restless nights or feeling overwhelmed. If you check a supplement label, you'll often see ashwagandha listed in either capsule or powder form. Some products mention extracts that may aim to concentrate the active parts of the herb. Labels may also show a typical range of milligrams per serving, and certain clinical studies have used similar amounts when observing its effects. This doesn't mean these amounts are right for you. It simply reflects what researchers often test. Always speak with your healthcare provider before adding anything new, especially if you take medication or have specific health conditions. As we explore it, one of the biggest things to understand is how people commonly use ashwagandha. Many rely on it for general stress support. Some find it helpful at night because it may encourage a calmer mood before sleep. Others use it earlier in the day to support overall balance. There isn't a universal timing that works for everyone. Following the product's label and checking with your doctor is the safest way to understand what fits your situation. For adults over 50, safety concerns matter. Studies suggest ashwagandha is generally well tolerated, but some people report mild side effects such as stomach discomfort or drowsiness. Because it may have a calming effect, it could make some people feel more relaxed than expected, so paying attention to how your body responds is important. People with thyroid issues, those taking prescription medications, or anyone managing long-term conditions should speak with a healthcare professional before using it, since herbs can interact with medicines or affect how the body processes certain drugs. Another thing to consider is product quality. Since supplements vary widely, it can help to choose brands that share testing information or verify purity. Some labels mention third-party testing, which many users look for when deciding what to buy. This doesn't guarantee results, but it can give you an idea of how transparent the company is. Before trying any supplement, especially over age 50, it's helpful to check in with your doctor. Bring the bottle, show them the label, and ask about possible interactions or concerns based on your personal health history. Ashwagandha may support stress balance and sleep comfort for some people, but your healthcare provider can help you figure out whether it's appropriate for your situation. Again, this video is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice.